So, so when you talk about some of these steps that need to happen before that, where should a community start? Where should they begin this plan?
Yeah, and you're right. It's usually just thrown on the sales or marketing director's lap, and they're like, "Shoot, I have a deadline. I'm going to fill this out as a task, and there you go." As a team, there's two prior steps, and one is completing a SWOT as an entire leadership team, and also a competitive analysis, and then you can take that data and build a marketing plan.